In this video, I'm going to show you how to have no fees when buying Bitcoin on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app, and they want to incentivize you to do everything on their app. So one of the recent things they've added for Bitcoin is the ability to do no fees and no spread. And here's how you would do this. When you buy Bitcoin from Cash App, it's going to pull from your Cash App balance, which you can see in the bottom left corner of my screen. You just want to tap buy. You want to select the amount. I'm going to do $3. And then we want to change the order type to be auto invest. And I'm just going to do this daily. You could also do this weekly or bi-weekly, but you do want to select one of these three options. And down there on the bottom, I guess it has to be a $10 minimum. So let's just do $10. And now we're on daily. So for the auto invest feature, I guess it is a $10 minimum, but you'll also have no fees. Tap next. It's going to give me my order details. And then this says 10:44 a.m., which is the time that it is where I'm at right now. So it'll buy at 10:44 a.m. every day. And just tap confirm, tap done. And just like that, I've purchased Bitcoin for today, which if we scroll down and tap on this auto invest thing here in the middle, it will show 10:44 a.m. and it will continue to buy Bitcoin each day with no fees. If I want to turn this off, I can just tap the toggle. And if I want to edit the amount, I can tap the change button below that. But there you have it, Bitcoin, no fees, Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.